how to fix CitizenFX.ini file is missing on FiveM. So to proceed, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the search bar of Windows, and then you want to type RUN. Open it up and simply type app data. Click on OK. This will then show up. Select local, look for the FiveM folder, and then you want to click on the FiveM application data. Inside this page, if you're encountering this error, this is basically the file that's been missing. So to demonstrate, I'll delete this file right here. And then what you want to do is to simply right click on the folder itself, click on new, and then you want to create a new text document. From here, you then want to name it CitizenFX. Now, I believe that this is case sensitive, so you want to make sure to capitalize the C and FX. And for the file name extension, you want to make sure to put the dot on after FX. So it's going to be CitizenFX.ini. Hit on enter, hit on OK. And then you want to open the file by simply right clicking on it, click on open, and then a notepad will open right here. So you can type this specific code, which is going to be really simple. Game IV path equals, and then now you want to navigate through the file location of your GTA. So if you're running it onto your Steam, it's going to be really simple. In my case, it's right on my desktop. So I right click on it, and then I'll click on the show more option, and then click the open file location. Once you have located the exe file for your GTA 5, you then want to copy the location itself. So in my case, it's going to be the games Grand Theft Auto 5 Legacy. You then want to paste it right here, press Ctrl S or navigate through the file, click on save, exit out of this file, and basically you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.